Parrots are one of the few animals that can recognize themselves in a mirror. This ability is often considered a sign of self-awareness. Many parrot species have long lifespans compared to other birds. Some parrots, like the African gray parrot, can live for several decades in captivity, with some individuals reaching 50 to 60 years or more. Parrots have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 4 toes on each foot arranged in pairs of 2. This foot structure gives them a strong grip and allows them to manipulate objects with great dexterity.